How to set up two-step verification in Gmail. Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Gmail application on your mobile device. Once you open it up, you want to go ahead and simply log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon and then simply select Manage your Google account. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply scroll down and then tap on Security. Inside Security, you'll then be able to find an option that says Two-Step Verification. Tap on it, and just like so, tap on Continue. And now simply tap on Turn on Two-Step Verification. And just like so, you'll then be able to set up two-step verification in Gmail. As you can see, it says On under Two-Step Verification. And that is how you can set up two-step verification in Gmail. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.